Hi, this is another recording for PSY 3500. I'm calling this one Lecture 1.2 because it is part of the introduction. Just want to clarify some things about the class. First, because there's this additional InQuizitive and we're working with Canvas, I just want to make it clear where things are going to be appearing. So when it comes to your grade, most of the stuff is going to be in Canvas. You're going to go there for assignments, so all the details about the assignments will be there. Lectures, all these recordings are there, and announcements. I will communicate through announcements to you via Canvas. InQuizitive is just for the chapter quizzes. I've included a link for all the chapter ones in each module so that you can get there. To clarify, to make sure that you understand what is happening with InQuizitive, I want to highlight this. So this is in the introduction module. If you go to this website, it's going to be where you access InQuizitive. Follow the instructions. If you don't have a registration code and you don't have the book yet, you can get a trial. It's for about 20-21 days, which can help you while you're deciding how you're going to purchase it. Our student set ID is 167520. That will connect you to the right class. In there, it'll look like this. So this first, how to use InQuizitive, you can try that out. It's not graded. Make sure you understand how things are working. And then this is Module 1, which covers Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. So this isn't due until the 8th of September. It gives you 2 weeks to complete it. Please take a look at it early after you're going through Chapter 1 and the lectures for Chapter 1. Take a look at it, see where you're weak. When you go into it, it's going to just present different types of questions. They're pretty interactive. You'll be able to answer them. It's going to try to find where you are strong and where you are weak and help you learn. So it's far more than just a simple quiz. It's going to try to adapt to you and help you learn the material. If you use it right, it can really help you understand what's happening in the chapters. There are 10 required questions. If you get everything right, then only 10 is necessary. If you don't, then it will give you more opportunities to earn those points. As I've mentioned before, all the homework assignments are due right before midnight on the due date. So please come here early after you get this set up. On Canvas, the introduction module has an introduction page. It just lines up what's happening. I have the first lecture, slides that went with that first lecture, the syllabus for you to go through, the InQuizitive sign up, which is this, your introduction to yourself, which is just a discussion post, and then this lecture, obviously you found, is lecture 1.2. Going forward, you'll have weekly modules that have information for you to work through. If you stay up to date with each week, you should be able to stay up to date in this class. And that is all for this lecture. Thank you.